Today we're going to be discussing the duplex, book and ID copy functions of the Ricoh IM C2010. Starting with the duplex functions. First, we're going to be looking at one-sided to two-sided. For example, I have this two one-sided documents, and when I'm going to copy this, the output is going to be a single sheet having two sides of these two pages. So how to do it is, here you can see the option one-sided to two-sided. So you just have to click on that and press start. Now, as you can see, I've got the copy of those two one-sided documents into the single paper having two sides. Now we're going to do two-sided to two-sided. That is basically copying a duplex document. That is, I'm going to copy these two sides onto a single sheet that is two-sided. So here I have to click on two-sided to two-sided. As you can see, I've got a duplex copy now. Now I'm going to show copying one-sided to combine two originals. That is, I'm going to copy two sides, two one-sided documents onto a single page. That is, I'm going to copy these both pages onto a single side of a page. So I have to click the option here. Circle left and right. As you can see, I've got those two pages printed on a single side. Now I'm going to be showing how to do a booklet copy. So I have here with me a magazine, and I'm going to be copying maybe a few pages of this magazine. What you have to do first is you have to go to this two-sided combine option and select here booklet copy. So I'm going to be choosing magazine. So you have two options here, booklet or magazine. I'm going to be choosing magazine because I want my cover page to be like this. Yes, I'm going to copy cover sheet. So as you can see here, we have the instructions on how to place the magazine on the patent glass. First, I'm going to be scanning the cover page of this magazine. So now the next side, that is the inner side first. Now I'm going to push finish scan. As you can see, now we have a booklet type copy. It's the first page, the second page, third and fourth, and the fifth and sixth. And we have the cover page here. Now I'm going to show ID card copy. For that, I'm going to be using this card as an example. First, you have to click on ID card copy. Click on next. Place the front of the ID card face down on exposure glass and between these A5 lines. So I open the plating and then I place the front side first based on the instructions shown. Now I scan the back side using the same instructions. As you can see, I've got both the front and the back of the card on this sheet.